Why you need to ramp up managing your career as the global economy fractures. So let me be blunt and upfront with you. The global economy is fracturing. Every week, new headlines announce layoffs. Thousands gone in tech, thousands more in finance, manufacturing, energy, and even healthcare. These cuts don't discriminate. They are for executives, middle managers, and highly skilled specialists, all let go by their employers, most without notice. It comes as a complete surprise. I'm Martin Buckland, a global executive career management practitioner. In an instant, I can help and inspire a business professional who has recently been terminated. I swiftly help them deal with those emotions, build the tools, strengthen their visibility, and coach them to return to work and, of course, be happy. If you think your job is immune because you're talented, loyal, or highly educated, you are kidding yourself. You are kidding yourself. In today's market, no one is untouchable. Complacency is the most dangerous mistake you can make. Career management is no longer a luxury or just a side project. It's survival. It pays your bills. It keeps the roof over your head. It provides for the people that you love surrounding you. We've entered a new phase of volatility thanks to geopolitical uncertainty. Restructuring is not occasional anymore. It's forecasted to be significant in the next couple of years or so. Tech, once seen as untouchable, now cutting tens of thousands worldwide. Banking, normally seen as stable, major European and North American institutions are streamlining, closing branches, and automating roles. Just last week, a tier one Canadian bank laid off 5,000, yes, 5,000 employees. Mining and energy, commodity swings can halt projects overnight, leaving entire towns or cities in the lurch. Retail and logistics disrupted by e commerce, AI, and inflation. Even healthcare and education, long considered safe, are now under pressure from budget cuts, digital transformation, and geopolitical rumblings. The point is clear. Layoffs are no longer tied to bad or underperforming employees. They are a byproduct of global fractures, a policy shift in Washington, a factory closure in Asia, a war or a trade dispute. These ripple effects destroy jobs in hours. Career management isn't updating your resume when you're desperate. It's continuous discipline. It's about making your resume and your LinkedIn profile achievement driven, branded, and ready at all times, 24/7, 365. Nurturing that network intentionally, not casually. Always build your network, constantly upgrading your skills so you are seen as current and relevant. Be visible, positioning yourself as the go to problem solver, a thought leader, or subject matter expert in your space or your niche. Think of your career as an investment. You wouldn't leave your savings unmonitored, would you? Assuming the market will always rise, You check, you adjust, you rebalance. Your career deserves the same proactive oversight. So here is the difference between past recessions and today's fractured economy. Speed. Previously, downturns unfolded somewhat slowly. Companies announced cutbacks gradually. People had some warning. Now the disruption is immediate and it's spiraling. One disappointing quarterly earnings call and whole divisions vanish. One regulatory change and your function is automated away. By the time the news hits the headlines, it's too late to prepare. So here is the killer. The people who do get hired or promoted aren't necessarily the most talented. They are the ones who were visible, connected, and prepared. They manage their career. That's what career management buys you, the power of choice, even in today's chaotic world. This is where it gets personal. Career management isn't just about you. It's about everyone who depends on you. And many people do. Your family. A sudden job loss can mean missed mortgage payments, stress at the dinner table, and anxiety for all those around you, your partner and your children. Your financial obligations, from school fees to medical bills to supporting elderly parents. Career instability cascades into every corner of your life. Your mental health. Unemployment hits confidence, identity, and even relationships. When you proactively manage your career, you're not only protecting your role, you are protecting your family's stability. Another name for this would be it's an insurance policy. You're ensuring there's food on the table, the bills are paid, and the kids don't have to see you crumble under stress. That can be very soul destroying. I've worked with countless executives who told me, Martin, losing my job wasn't just about my income. It was about my dignity, about my children looking at me and seeing insecurity. Career management is not selfish, it's responsible. It's the most practical form of love and leadership you can show at home. So, what can you do today to bulletproof your career in a fractured economy? Number one, audit your resume, your CV, and LinkedIn. Make them metrics driven, branded, and ready. If an executive recruiter called you tomorrow, could you send them within an hour your CV, your resume? Number two, build and maintain your personal brand. What results define you? If your name came up in a boardroom, would people instantly know your value? Number three, expand your network deliberately. Don't wait until you're unemployed. Reach across industries, across borders. Genuine relationships today are career lifelines tomorrow. Number four, upskill. Upskill without pause. Micro credentials, executive education, AI, ML literacy, certifications. If you're not learning, You are falling behind, and it's quick to fall behind in today's fast paced world. Number 5, stay alert. Track industry and global economic signals. Anticipate where fractures will widen and be ready to pivot before you are forced. Number 6, talk, be open and honest with your family. Career management is a team sport. Align expectations, share realities, and plan together. It reduces that panic if change comes very suddenly. I am seeing the global economy fracturing. Layoffs aren't slowing down, they are accelerating. Every week, more headlines. Every week, more professionals blindsided. Professionally, I think we are just at the start. Don't want to spread doom and gloom, but it's going to be a tough couple or 3 years or so. That's how long it is forecasted to be. But here is the truth. While you cannot control the economy, you could control how you manage your career. By doing so, you protect far more than your job. You protect your financial future, your family's stability, and your own dignity. Your career is your business. Why don't you manage it like a business? Because when you do, you safeguard not just yourself, but everyone counting on you. For more information on how to manage your career and thousands of tips and tricks, visit my YouTube channel, Martin Buckland, and press the subscribe button plus the bell button to be notified of new videos to come. So, question for you. Are you prepared? Do you manage your career? Or are you going to now? Has this been a wake up call?